Cauliflower rice is a versatile low-carb alternative to traditional rice. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. For ingredients, you will need 1 head of cauliflower, olive oil or preferred cooking oil, salt and pepper to taste, and garlic powder, onion powder, and herbs such as parsley or cilantro. Rinse the cauliflower and pat it dry. Remove the leaves and tough stem from the cauliflower head. Cut the cauliflower into small florets. Place the florets in a food processor and pulse until the cauliflower resembles rice grains. Be careful not to overprocess. You want a rice-like consistency, not a puree. Heat a skillet or pan over medium heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil or cooking oil of your choice. Add the cauliflower rice to the pan and saute for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's tender but still slightly crisp. Season with salt, pepper, and any additional spices or herbs you like. Serve hot as a side dish or use it as a base for stir fries, curries, or as a substitute for rice in your favorite recipes. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding other low-carb ingredients like diced vegetables or protein sources like tofu, chicken, or shrimp. Enjoy your low-carb cauliflower rice. For more information on healthy eating, like and subscribe to our channel. Live long after 50.